You can experience the traditions of the Bedouin people. How about a desert safari in the red lava dunes with camel rides, a buffet feast of traditional cuisine, enjoying shisha, stargazing, and watching the local dances? Or how about an exhilarating adventure in sandboarding, ATV, and four-wheel drive dune bashing? These are just some of the things that you can experience in the Dubai desert. Let me show you more.
Guy, cause I'm a travelogue. Yeah, that's what I do. Sharing my adventures from a brand new point of view. I'll show you.
We booked this tour with Viator, which includes the round-trip transportation from your hotel and back for $190 for two people. When we got there, they made us feel comfortable and offered us cold drinks. Everyone must wear a hijab or a headscarf when going on a tour. If you don't have one, they will sell you one. The head covering shields you from the scorching heat of the sun and protects you from the sand blowing in your face. Then the registration comes next, so they can keep track of you. Then you are fitted with a helmet. Then you choose the vehicle you want. I was a solo traveler, so I was paired with a driver.
Fine. My driver? Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ryan.
Rayan?
Yeah.
Emily.
Emily, where are you from?
USA.
United States.
Yep.
Nice country.
Okay, we're gonna go. Woohoo! Woohoo! We're gonna go.
We encountered a herd of camels on the trail being tended for their safety. Camels are treated with respect and are a symbol of wealth and endurance for the Bedouin people. They even have a special hospital just for camels to be treated. It was fast and exhilarating, but this driver was cautious and very experienced to ensure no harm came to us. Next is the safari dune bashing.
We're getting ready to go on a safari. This is a couple of people that I just met here on our tour. Safari tour. They have a YouTube channel. What's the name of your channel?
GAD Studios, GAD Studios.
You're a photographer?
Yeah, I'm a videographer, professional. Yeah, no.
And you do YouTube also?
Hi, I'm creative director and we are from God Studios.
Oh, okay.
All drivers are specially trained and must have a desert navigation license. The vehicle's tire pressure must be lowered to 15 psi instead of 30 to 35 psi for roads. This is to give the tires better flotation and traction on the soft sand. Go on the safari, it is a must that all passengers be provided with water and adequate supplies for their safety. If you want more of a challenge, try out the sandboarding. But just remember, going down is easy and coming up takes a little effort. This is the first time riding a camel for me. They equipped them to hold 2 riders at one time. The guide instructed me to make sure that I lean back on the seat when they get up and hang on tight. Well, I can't say it was a smooth ride. When we arrived at the Al-Qaima camp, our tour guide met us and explained all the different things we could do and showed us to our assigned table.
Hello. Rose water. Smells good.
Okay, come with me, please. Come with me together, please. Come forward. Over there, you see the people sitting over there, the sitting area. There is a shisha, hookah. If you want to smoke a shisha, you can go there, you can smoke shisha from there. Everything is including in your tour, okay? Here is 3 souvenir shops and over there is 2 souvenir shops. This is extra. If you want to buy anything from this, you have to pay. The rest, everything without the shops is including in your tour. Sweets, bread, over there is the shisha. That side there is a toilet for the boys and girls. The next one is the henna tattoo. Okay, the henna tattoo. If you want to make a henna painting. There is the tea and coffee counter. We have 3 types of tea. Arabic coffee, tea with the mint, tea with the milk. One by one, you can try all from here. The falcon is over there. Everything is included. There is a falcon photos. You want to take picture with the falcon there. You want to take picture with the falcon here in the entrance. It's your choice. Anywhere you can take picture with the falcons, okay?
All shoes must come off when stepping into the dining area rug. The seats are low to the ground, which makes it difficult for some people, especially the elderly ones. There is a special section for those who are having difficulty sitting down on low to the ground. It has chairs and tables.
Here's the tissue box you want to use, you can use any time. Whenever you're sitting here, remove the shoes outside, then have a seat. It's a respect piece, okay? Here in the cool box, we have a soft drink and water. You want to take some soft drink water, you can take from here. Not only here. Anywhere in the cave you see the box, it's including in your tour, okay? The cooler is over there. If you're feeling hot, turn it to your face, okay? Anytime. Here's the dresses you can see, the white and black. White is kandura, that's for the men. Black is abaya, that's for the women's. Wear the dresses, look around here, take some picture, videos, traditional photos and videos, okay, with the falcon, with the stuff. It's looking amazing. If you don't know how to wear it, our colleagues is here, you see, they're wearing the yellow dresses. They will come every time to your table to help you with the empty stuff and all the things they can throw it from your table, okay? So they are here only to help you. If you need any kind of help while camping time, just let them know.
It is an all-you-can-eat buffet. It started with the salad, which was served at your table. I thought it was really delicious. Then we were told to go to the back tents where the food is being served buffet style. There were 3 different types of food: the Arabian, Moroccan, and Asian cuisine. There are also choices in barbecue meats and fresh bread. I started out with the Asian food since it was the first in line. There was also a selection of desserts. Next was the entertainment. This was a long excursion, but culturally enriching, with the thrill of getting an adrenaline rush as you drive through the dunes. There are more travel experiences I would like to share with you, but time has run out. So until next time, so long.